if you're trying to generate scripts for YouTube. In today's video, let me show you how you can use Perplexity for that purpose. If this video sounds helpful to you and if you also want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into the video. Let me show you a simple way that you can use Perplexity AI to build your own ideas starting from almost nothing. Now the first thing you'll need to do is just start with a core idea. Let's say you want to make a video about mindful productivity. I'll just ask in this question and add in this prompt. This way it will give me a potential flow, an introduction section, or the benefits and some practical techniques. You can use this as your foundation for your YouTube scripts. The second thing that you can do after you have an outline of a core idea, you can use this AI as your brainstorming partner. Let's say you want to expand on the practical technique section. You can add in a follow-up prompt and then hit enter again. Now this way you'll get a list, but if you want this to be relatable to the people that are watching, you can add in a human touch as well. This way the language will instantly become more conversational and then more like a YouTube script. You can do the same process for your intros, your body section and your outros as well. So these are the steps that you can take in order to create YouTube scripts using Perplexity AI. If this short guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.